Hello all, myself Madhvi Navarkar from Ekevak Polytechnic Nasik. Today we are going to see the video on SQL operators from the subject database management. Before we can see the different SQL operators, we will see what is an operator. An operator is a reserved word or keyword or a character used basically in SQL statement or SQL queries in the where clause to perform different types of operations. And the different types of operations are like comparisons, arithmetic operations like this. There are total 6 types of operators in SQL. Arithmetic operators, logical operators, comparison operators, set operators, range searching operators, and pattern matching operators. So operator is what? It is basically used for performing the operation. We can say that it is a word or it is the symbol which can be used for performing the operations. Now we will see the first type, that is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means the operators which are used for performing arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So the operators are the symbols like plus for addition, minus for subtraction, then star for multiplication, slash for division and percent for modulus. Now see, this table shows the operator, then what is its description, means what it does, and one example is given. Suppose addition is there, means it adds the values for two operands. Now example is a plus b, means this plus is the operator and a and b are the operands. Means a and b is the input. Same thing is there for the subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Now what is this modulus does? It divides the left hand operand by right hand operand and returns the remainder. Means this b can be divided by a and the output is the remainder. For example, suppose we have given one query, that is select name comma marks plus 15 from student. Means what it will give? It will give the name and marks from the student table. But here we have used the additional operator, that is plus. Means whatever marks are there in the student table, those will be added by 15. So the output of this query will be, it will give the name and the existing marks plus 15 from the student table. So these are the 5 arithmetic operators. Now we will go for the second type, that is logical operators. Now this logical operators means these are used to evaluate the expression depending on the combination of condition. Combination of condition means there are two conditions. Those should be combined and then the evaluation can be done. We will see this in deep. There are basically 3 logical operators, that is and, or, and, not. These operators compare two conditions at a time to determine whether a row can be selected for the output or not. Means what it does, it will check two conditions and depending on that, it will decide whether that row or record from the table can be displayed or not. When retrieving the data using a select statement, you can use logical operators in the where clause. As we have seen, the operators or SQL operators can be used in the where clause. And it allows you to combine more than one condition. Basically, in logical operators, there are two conditions. Now see, there are 3 operators. So first operator is OR operator. If you want to select rows that satisfy at least one of the given condition, you can use the logical operator. What this means, see, column 1, column 2. These are the two columns, or we can say these are the two conditions. And whatever is the output of this condition or this column, depending on this, the row can be selected. Means if column 1 or condition 1 is satisfied, column 2 or condition is satisfied, then the row is selected. Means if both are yes, then the row is displayed. If one column is yes and another column is no, means one is satisfied, another is not satisfied, then output is also yes. And if both columns are not satisfied or both conditions are not satisfied, then the row cannot be selected. Means it will not display any record from the table. So we can say that this is the table which can be used for displaying the records. For example, if you want to find the names of students who are studying either maths or science, then the query would be like this. Means maths is the first column and science is the second column. So we can write the query like this. Select first name, last name, comma subject from the student where subject equal to maths or subject equal to science. Here or is the operator and these two are the conditions. Means if both conditions are satisfied, then it will display the row. If only one is satisfied, it will also display the row. So this is the OR operator. Means if one condition is satisfied, it will display the output. And if both are satisfied, then also it will display the output. Second is AND operator. If you want to select the rows that must satisfy all the conditions, then you can use the AND operator. Means here you have to check whether both conditions are satisfied or not. If both are satisfied, then the row is displayed. See here, column 1, if both are yes, row is yes. If any one is no, then the output is no. For example, select first name, comma last name, age from student where age is greater than 10 and age is less than 15. Means here it will check both conditions. Age is greater than 10 and age is less than 15. If both are satisfied, then it will display the row. Because if both are yes, then and then only record is displayed. And the third logical operator is NOT. If you want to find the rows that does not satisfy any condition, you can use the logical operator NOT. NOT is what? It is the vice versa. It is the reverse of condition or it is the opposite. Means if yes, then output will be displayed as no. If no, output will be displayed as yes. That is, if a condition is satisfied, then the row is not written. And if a condition is not satisfied, the row is written. The following table describes how it will be. Select the row. Column 1 satisfied, yes. Not column satisfied, no. And then the row will be no. Means if it is yes, output will be no. If no, output will be yes. For example, if you want to find out the names of students who do not play football, then the query will be written like this. Who do not play football means we have to write select first name, comma last name, games from student where not playing the football. Means it will display those students who is not going to play the football. So these are the logical operators. Means in this video we have seen arithmetic operators and logical operators. Okay, in the next video we can see the next types of operators. Thank you.